The FAA predicts a large increase in air traffic volume over the next few decades. With a large increase in air traffic comes the need for more advancements in safety and technology. In this TV33 magazine, we'll find out how Shelby will play a vital role in that process.
Recently, the ITT Corporation, a highly technical engineering and manufacturing company headquartered in Virginia, determined that Cleveland County Regional Airport was an ideal location to construct an SBS radio station that could be used to partially service major airspaces for air traffic en route to areas such as Washington, D.C. and Charlotte Douglas International. An SBS radio station, also known as a surveillance and broadcast services, provides planes information through broadcasts such as graphical weather, vital data, temporary flight restrictions, special use, airspace, and related functions that play an important role in global navigation for air traffic. Automatic Dependent Surveillance Broadcast, or ADSB, is a cooperative surveillance technique for air traffic control and related applications. An ADSB-equipped aircraft determines its own positioning using a global navigation satellite system and periodically broadcasts positioning and other relevant information to potential ground stations as well as other aircraft with ADSB. Recently, Ben Yarborough, a civil engineer with the city of Shelby, explained how this complex system works.
And what it does is planes that are equipped with an ADSB transponder will send out a GPS signal to a satellite through the local antenna. That will go into a network that will then allow planes to coordinate with each other along with the air control that's ground-based. The main benefit of it is that it provides coverage to areas that do not have radar coverage. We're on the edge of Charlotte's coverage, and then Asheville is obviously to the west of us, so there's an area between Charlotte and Asheville that there is no radar coverage. With this system, that will enable communication between planes in this area and those towers.
Aviators consider the ADSB a giant leap forward in pilot situational awareness and air traffic awareness, making it the key to both air safety and airspace efficiency. Since the system is rather complex to understand for individuals that aren't involved with aviation, I asked Ben if he could relate the ADSB to a piece of equipment that one might find in a newer automobile, such as an OnStar system or an onboard navigation system.
It's a lot like an OnStar. That way or it's actually a combination of the two. The GPS will tell you where you're going, and then the OnStar will tell a communications network where you're at. This will do both of those. It'll give the heading, the speed, the altitude, whether you're going up or down in altitude. It'll also provide weather updates. It'll provide air restrictions if there are any. And so it provides real-time data, not only from airplane to tower, but also from airplane to airplane. And so it's taken the technology that's in cars and it's taken it up several notches above that.
Like most older automobiles that aren't equipped with an onboard GPS or navigation system, all aircrafts aren't equipped with ADSB. Ben says that aircrafts that aren't equipped with ADSB will be able to upgrade to the system, but it will be expensive.
Most all aircraft do have GPS. This is a new technology though, and the GPS systems will have to be updated to work with the ADSB transponder. That is an upgrade that, from talking to some, that they will do. It's a fairly expensive upgrade, but something that's sort of the future of communications in planes.
Now, even though the cost may be expensive for pilots of smaller planes to upgrade their aircrafts with ADSB, the actual construction of the SBS radio station tower at the Cleveland Regional Airport will not cost the city of Shelby or the county any money at all. Since ITT has chose Shelby as its location to build the tower, they will pay for the entire cost of construction and maintain the facility for its entire lifetime.
ITT Corporation was contracted through the FAA to complete this project. They have approximately 340 towers that will be built. They contacted us here recently about building one at our airport. We have entered into a lease agreement with them, and they will begin construction hopefully within the next couple of months for about a 1-month construction period. So hopefully within 3 or 4 months this project will be up and going.
We hope you enjoyed this edition of our TV33 magazine. I'll see you back here Monday morning. Have a great weekend.